This 2014 Livin Lite Quicksilver 8.0 is an expandable trailer RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Livin Lite is 16 feet 2 inches in length and features sleep 6, leveling jacks, auxiliary battery, air conditioning, smoke detector, spare tire kit. The floor plan layout of this expandable trailer features front bedroom, rear bedroom. The unloaded weight of this 2014 Livin Lite Quicksilver 8.0 is 865 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Juniata Valley RV.